So the strawberries didn't work yesterday, so we're gonna use some ham and turkey. So let's see if there's anything in here or not, but I don't know. We're in. Yeah, the strawberries are so raw. Blech. Okay, I'll just do this. I know what to do. Oh, I got nothing. Guess we'll just put all this in. Let's make sure. Let's see if we catch any fish. Time to check my perch truck. So let's see if there's any. Should I be able to catch it was like 30 minutes ago, probably when we said it. Oh, we did. We did. We got 2 things, I think. Yeah, we got 2. I did not realize. Take it off like that. Then you just reach your hand. Oh no. I'm gonna go back in there. Oh, we actually got 3. There's one right here. Got it.
Let's show me.
I'm fishing doing water.
Okay.
Bye, fishy. One more. I hold. Yeah, that's a pretty good one. I guess the ham works better. Let's see if we catch some more tomorrow.